to me the breath of life. Meaning, i-continue sa ako Ginoo. Muna meaning the anang word ni Paul sa 1 Thessalonians. Pray without ceasing. Because when we cease to pray, we cease to breathe spiritually. Now, it doesn't mean na bisag nagtuplok ta sa atong computer sa panahon sa atong trabaho, naging tao, Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be. No, that's not what it means. It simply means in all things that we do it prayerfully. That is what prayer, we pray without ceasing mean. So here we are. Now let's go to the second branch. The second kind of branch we are going to look at is the prune branch. Remember, the first branch was the cut away branch. The branch that was cut away and was thrown away, ready to be burned in the fire. Now let's talk about the prune branch. Verse 2 says, He cuts off every branch in me that bears no fruit, while every branch that does bear fruit, He prunes, so that it will be even more fruitful. Now the pruning is another very important Christian experience. You have all experienced cutting a branch from any tree, in your house, in your garden, in your farm, maybe. And you can see one experience there, which is very realistic. Every time you cut a branch, whatever you use, knife, scissor, bolo, bali, kusara kabuta ang inyong makita. Everywhere, every time you cut a branch, makakita mo nga naagi duga. Gina po eh? What is duga sa atong kinabuhi? Dugo. This means pain. Do na yung degree of pain. When a pruning experience takes place, there is that degree of pain. Sakit. But remember again, what we have studied from the very beginning of this topic.